Welcome to Chicago Workshop. This is a roof variation scheme for a steeper roof for a project in Maine where we're concerned about snow buildup on the roof line. One of the suggestions by a local was to change the pitch of the roof from 312 to 1012, and for a one-story scheme, the moment that we go to a very steep roof, even if we change the spring line, if we change the spring line, it'd still raise up. This allows for a little higher wall in the back. Just a very unwieldy steep roof for our scheme. So we will not be doing that. We will change this back to its original 312 instead of a 1012. And it feels so much nicer. So let's take a peek at what we did here. Kept the dramatic pitch going the other way concept from the previous scheme to express the fact that these are highly insulated walls, and it's just a little bit newer approach to building. And so this attempts to express that. Keep the 312 pitch, build little crickets behind there to drain it properly. But it just, I think, creates a very appealing, interesting facade. So let's take a quick peek around. Two different materials. The roof ridge is created based on where the material break changed. A little bump out for extra garage, since we went from a two-car garage to a covered and a wider garage. We'd have to bump out, and it created some room for storage, and we'll show how that affects the floor plan in a minute. So this was what happens. The whole idea here behind creating a efficient shell for the home is not to rise too crazy with the roof, not to rise too crazy with the walls, because they'll all be exposed. The ceilings is exposed. All that roof will be cathedral, create trauma in the rooms, and not to use too much material. This is a very efficient plan. The square plan very efficiently uses roof and wall material, and expresses some of the volumes. In the back, what we've done is, because of the lower roof height on this scheme based on the previous scheme, and feedback from the developer that we don't want to have a ton of glass there to save on cost. Again, we got rid of the doors here, popped in operable windows, kept a door to get out to the patio from the other ones. So we save, we go from $1,200 to $300 for these windows here. So that's a little bit of savings. Still get to create a very contemporary look and feel for the great room. And let's take a quick peek at the floor plan and then call it a day. So let's go to 3D. Let's go to the floor overview. Hello. That's full overview. Oh, wrong one. Let's kill that. Perspective view, floor overview. There we go. Zoom in a little bit. There you can see Mom's minivan in the garage. Dad with his souped up Volkswagen in the covered area. And you can see the glass for the great room, the glass block detail up above, and what the bedroom fenestration would look like. And here's the storage area. It got bumped out. Water closet. Slab on grade construction. There you have it.